Hi, my name is Nancy Hung, and this is my first video. I started the YouTube channel called Nancy's Foodie channel. Again, Nancy's Foodie channel. And I'd like to give you a brief introduction. I am an American-born Chinese, and I started cooking during this COVID period and posting all my meals in Facebook for my Facebook friends. And I also started posting at work in my intranet. And I got pretty good responses. People would ask me, what's the recipe, where's the ingredients, and do you have a foodie channel or any channel that you have postings on where we can learn how to do this? At first I thought, these people are so nice, they're just being nice, But then I started realizing that, I'm still getting the same responses from different people. Oh, maybe I should do this. In fact, when they asked me, I said, I don't have a channel. And they're like, well, why not? You should. So I'm thinking, well, maybe I should. So anyway, I have no experience. This is all new to me. I have to learn the YouTube platform. There's a lot to learn, and also perhaps get tools, lighting tools and for this video. Right now, I hope this video is okay. This is all I have for now, but I'm just gonna go with it. And so, before I even started this, I tested the waters out a little bit by doing one video of tomatoes and eggs, Chinese tomato and eggs. And I posted it on Facebook for my friends to see and try to get feedback. And basically, a lot of them said, this is great. I also have feedback from some friends who gave me some tips, and which is very helpful. And so I said, why not? So I got positive feedback. I have friends who actually tried the recipe out, which I'm so happy they did. So it kind of inspired me to, yes, go ahead and do it. So yeah, thank you all for doing that. So I'm going to try to keep a promise to do at least once a week. But don't hold me to that, because I do have things I'm still juggling. But I'm going to try my best to do it at least once a week. And then not just recipes, but anything that I see that I think that you would like, new products that come out, anything that I find that I like also. And I like nice, pretty things, beautiful things. So anything I see, I will try to put this together and post it out to you on YouTube. So again, welcome to my world. This is my kitchen, and so I'll do most of my meals here. So today I'm going to start with something simple, something easy, and it will be watercress, Chinese watercress soup with pork. Fairly simple. I'll give you the recipe as far as the ingredients, and it's just all you have to wait for the soup is to simmer, and it's a very tasty soup. It's very warm for the family, and it's very nutritious. So I think that you will like it. So I'll start off with this soup. And I'm still debating whether I should put the other video that I done on Facebook that I had to test out the waters with. So I might just do that. I'm not sure yet. But I will start off with the soup. And if you like it, please, please, please subscribe. This way I know. And if you have any feedback, that would be great. And if you did make the recipe, please send me a picture of it. I definitely would like to see the outcome and what your thoughts are. So again, if you like this, please subscribe. And just to make sure I don't prep for this. So if I make any mistakes, I'll try to crop that part out. But if it's, I'm still learning, so if I'm not able to, so sorry. But it's, I find it a lot easier, so I don't have to worry about memorizing, then I'll probably really mess up. So anyway, thank you so much for watching.